In this video, you will learn how to set up image regions such as image clips, data entries, and qualitative coding. Remark Office OMR uses image regions to capture handwritten sections. The image regions can capture image clips, data entries, and qualitative coding. An image clip is used to capture image files for every recorded response, which you can then review in Remark Quick Stats. A data entry is when you manually enter the handwritten data into the software. For data entries and image clips, you can view the data in the respondent report. Qualitative coding allows you to categorize the comments. For example, you may choose to categorize the responses as positive and negative. Then to view the data, run an item analysis report. Please note that we have a separate video discussing qualitative coding. In this example, you will be capturing an image clip. Begin by defining the comments section as your image region. Click on the last node you created in the tree view. Then select Insert Image Region in the toolbar, or click Region, Insert, Image Region after selected region. Then click and drag your cursor over the Comments section from the top left to the bottom right corner. Please note that you should capture a ½ inch additional space around the edges of the comment box. The comment section is the handwritten portion of the form that needs to be processed as an image. The Properties window then appears. In the Region Definition section, start by filling in a region name. Since this is an image clip, select Image Clip from the drop-down list for the region type. Notice that your data type will be chosen for you, and the Attempt to detect the presence of handwriting in the region box is checked. This setting is particularly useful when using data entry because Remark Office OMR will color code the cell blue to let you know that you need to review the question in order to type in the comments. For image clips, the software will only capture the image clip if it sees handwriting on the form. Then in the Image Clip Options section, click the ellipsis next to the target folder. Browse your computer to find the image files that include the comments. You will then see the link appear in the target folder box. In the Begin Names With box, record the image names so that when the images are captured, you know they correspond with this form. For the clip file type, we recommend using TIF and setting the compression to Group 4, which creates the smallest files. Then click OK. You will then see a new node added to the tree view and a blue box around the comments section. To save the template, click File, Save. Then click File, Launch Remark Office OMR. You will then be navigated to the Data Center. Under Data Options, click Read. Then select Read Images for your data collection if it is not already selected. Click Next. Then browse for the images. Click on the image, then click Add Selected, or double-click on the image. Then click Read, if we read some of the filled-in forms, we can now see that the clips were taken wherever we see a path in the data. Then click the orange Analysis tab. Click on Quick Survey. Then scroll down to the response reports. Click Response by Item. By selecting the Comments question, clicking Add, and running the reports, we now see the image of each person's response in one condensed report. You have successfully learned how to use image regions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Thanks for watching.